Ahoy and welcome aboard for another adventure with J&M Odysseys. Today we're taking a look at the Legoland Castle Hotel and doing a room tour. At the front of the hotel you will find 2 Lego statues. When you enter the lobby you are greeted with another Lego statue and a build area for the kids. The spinning display over the statue is certainly majestic. The entire lobby is very welcoming, with plenty of options to keep the kiddos busy while you check in. With the fantasy-themed decor, it's almost like stepping into another world. Speaking of checking in, Legoland Castle Hotel makes the process fast and convenient with the kiosks. You are walked through the entire process, and it will even print your room keys. Throughout the lobby you can see that the fun starts right away, and there are plenty of places to take some memorable photos. As we get on the elevator, you will see that Legoland finds a way to make something as mundane as an elevator ride a little magical.
Hold on, everyone, we're nearly there.
Now for the part that you've all been waiting for, the room tour. As you will see, we also could not wait. We had to unpack our things before recording this video. There are 3 room themes at Legoland Castle Hotel: Knights and Dragons, Magic Wizards, and Royal Princesses. As you can see, our room is Knights and Dragons. The walls, flooring, and decor match this aesthetic. At the front of the room, you will find a kids' sleeping area. It can be closed off with a curtain, allowing for some minimal privacy. There is a TV and bunk beds for the kids to relax after an exciting day at Legoland. Our kids really like the art on the walls and the bedding. Moving on, each room comes with a few amenities. Here we have the mini fridge, Keurig coffee maker with regular and decaf coffee. There's also some hot chocolate if coffee is not your thing. The room comes with complimentary bottles of water and juice boxes. The Lego head is actually your ice bucket. There's a room safe for all your valuables. Under the safe are some trash cans and some storage. Here you can see our portable fan that is a must-have for our family. Moving on to the bathroom, it is quite spacious for a hotel bathroom. At the sink are your standard bathroom items, but Legoland has also included a step stool so your little ones can wash their hands a bit easier. They have also included a built-in potty seat in case you left yours at home. This is probably the most family-friendly hotel I've ever stayed in. The shower curtain continues the theme, and the bathing area is a standard tub with a detachable shower head with a long hose. Moving on, here's a good look at the carpet design. In the main sleeping area are my favorite decorations. Above the thermostat, there is a note that says, "For your comfort, our AC system is silent to provide you with a relaxing in-room experience." And they mean what they say. The AC is very quiet, so if you need a little noise to help you sleep, I highly recommend bringing a fan or a noise machine with you. Above the king-size bed is a light-up painting, and the bed was pretty comfortable as well. Here you can see the TV and dresser. Next is the closet and storage area with an iron and ironing board. Finally, each room comes with a safe with a special prize inside. The lock can be a little tricky, so a parent might have to help. If you want to know what's inside, you'll have to find out on your own. To get the code for the safe, you will need to complete a treasure hunt. To get the treasure hunt information, you will need to go to Legoland.com, click on the hotel hub, and then select Start Your Treasure Hunt. Next, you'll select your hotel and follow the instructions.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Staying at the Legoland Castle Hotel was an amazing experience. The whole environment was family friendly. Though I would have to say that the best thing about staying at Legoland Castle Hotel was all you have to do is go out the side of the hotel and you are just steps away from the park. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please do not forget to like and subscribe to see our next video about the park and all the fun we had there.